playing kidnap a boy. Bro, ano ba magkag-record?
No, nag-record siya, bulok.
Record ka. Yeah.
Kasi wala ba si Kuya?
Tadi, ayaw pagkuan ba, disturbo, no? Dali,
We
dali.
are playing the kidnap the kid.
Right, bro?
Eka! Ah! Wala niyo. Oy! Kita!
Fly, fly.
Eh, punta ako pag nilalauran.
Wala na yan.
Ah! Ah!
Wait. The kidnapper story.
Bakit loud na? Ay,
Usang aglaw. Ay, aman naman yung heads mo na. Batawa tong head.
Isang aglaw.
Bro, mga little pa.
Usang
baby! Bro,
Usang aglaw. Bata sila dyan. Di sila kidnapper dyan.
dali bro. Dali.
Nanay!
Atong mama na kidnapper mo attack na to. Pero, ututan na ako para mamatay. I will use my first power. Well, my power.
Oh my God!
Sakit de.
Ready, sir!
Jim, yes, mommy. See you guys at 9 p.m. Bye. Bye, mom. What the heck? Don't patinte. Okay. Follow me, bro. Let's play upstairs. I'm bold right now. Open the door. Ay! Necklace! Pingga. Kukod, patay gutom ako. Ano si M?
Okay, let's go. That's an idea.
Let's go. Where's Big Bro? Follow Big Bro to the playground. Dara siya. Katong
No, asa si Big Bro? Come on, Big Bro.
yeah, Big Bro.
And follow you.
Yeah, Big Bro. Oh, Big Bro, stop. What is he doing? That way. And
Wait.
I see the playground.
Yeah, playground.
Yeah, playground. I swear. Dala ka sa likod. Abot na ka?
And then nag-race mo.
That way. Abot na ko. I will go to the slide.
Have fun.
No! I can't fit. My head is too big.
I fit.
Swingy. Pangi.
Bro, lasa lagi please. Kailangan daw minukto dahil
Where's Big Brother?
Where's Big Bro? Oh,
Yeah.
she.
Where are...
Big Bro.
Here, we have our fun. Okay. Oh no.
Big Bro, can we go now?
Naku, cutscene. Aray. That's what hurt.
That's pretty much what it is.
Bro, let's play. Hey guys, we should
Buy some snacks.
buy some snacks for
Okay. Uy, movie on TV tonight. Yay! That's great! Where is that? Ikaw ingon sa imuha, ako ingon sa hoa. At house, of course.
Bilangan mo ni di na bro. Patay.
Hey, you. Yes. Need help, kids. It complete mess, right? Now we some to help we clean it up. Bro, kidnapper. There's literally a kidnapper. Buy that dough, we get it returned. Let's go, bro. Old man.
I just do it
Guys, we should help.
like
Bro, we're cook.
Or help him.
Help him at all hour.
Okay.
Oh, don't help who out.
No one. No one.
Okay.
Help me.
Will help you.
Great.
Wait, let's go inside. Let's go. Bro, mahadlok. Oh! Transport come to help me. Okay. Taxi. Dapat kayo pizza niya. Kids. Well, dapat ko pizza. Bro, naman.
Bro, mag-clean mo dapat.
Hindi na. That's clean.
Clean. Dapat ang pizza. Doon lang pa siya upstairs. Ano.
Stupid boy.
Huwag ka na
You
basura.
keep on
Ano na?
Pizza.
Dungon naman na nimo. Para mag-save.
back.
Wala ba eh? Oh no, good job.
Oh, good job. We guys were quick. So what? Ikaw, bro.
So what was secret wrong?
Oh yeah. I wanted to tell guys know where is kidnapper. I heard that they plan to attack our town tonight. We're cooked. We're cooked.
We're cooked.
We're cooked. We're cooked. I'm scared.
We're gonna go. Oh, we're gonna go. I will need your house.
Oh yeah.
So us, no problem. Okay. No problem. Let me. Uy, libat. Ayo.
Fight na. Ay! Bakit videos? Magkapatay ka sa tao. What?
Whoa.
Bro, I just died. How is that even possible? Guys, I just died, so
Where's our brother?
Let's go, big bro.
and that was an awesome adventure. If you want to join us on the next, click right here. Bye.
Bro, how did?